Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Holy Name Catholic School in Birmingham, Michigan, home of the Hurricanes, standing outside of their school office right here, kind of in their main central lobby of the school. And we had 2 assemblies today in the gym down the hallway behind me. And the main focus of today's programs was all about positivity and being your best self, right? That we try to be the best version of who we can be, do the best that we can, and that's all that anybody wants from us, right? Our parents, God, our coaches, that as long as we're giving the effort, we're usually going to get the outcome that we want. And the idea too that the opposite of success, right, is not failure, but it's quitting. It's giving up. That as long as we don't quit, as long as we keep going, keep pushing, keep persevering, that's what really truly counts as well. It says this in Galatians and in Chronicles, to be strong, to never give up, right? To just keep going. And also knowing that part of doing our best is trying to stay positive even when things get tough. It's so easy to keep a positive attitude when it's shining outside and it's beautiful weather and everything's going great in our lives, but when things get tough in our hearts or other locations, right, around us, that it's sometimes easier to stay kind of negative, right? And so the shirt that I wear for this program says, "Keep your head up." It's upside down on purpose. It's a reminder that we keep thinking positive no matter what. That yes, storms are going to happen in our lives, but storms happen for rainbows to appear and for new life to spring up. And that anything that does bring a difficult situation or experience for us can actually make us stronger if we let it. And if we let that faith element really happen in our life, that we can always put our trust in God, right? Put everything into Him and know that as long as we're trusting the process and trusting whatever it is that He has in store for us, that we're going to be able to make the right choices in our lives and that we're going to come out of it, as beautiful creations. And so another part of being our best is being kind to our mind, being kind to our heart, but also understanding our worth and our value as children of God. Every one of us on the palm of our hands with the lines of our hand, I trace one of mine here, we all have the letter M. With the lines in each of your hand, you have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but that M stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy. And the idea is that we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. And it's so needed in this world that we need to be that light to this world. It says this in Matthew 5, right? Don't let your light be hidden on a hill, but let it shine before men, before women. That's what Jesus is asking all of us to do. And to know that in Isaiah 49:2, it says, I have engraved you. God said, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof, right? And we as Catholics, as Christians, we know this, we believe this. Sometimes we forget this, though. And we need to not only remind ourselves from time to time, but remind others of their worth, of their value. That's how we're doing our best, right? That's how we're being our best self, is to keep that positive attitude in every area of our life and just keep trying, keep going, take that one extra step, because sometimes the moment that we're about to succeed, it's like we're just about to give up. If we just go that one extra mile, that one extra step, that hopefully we could actually make it happen. And so that was the beauty of today, just getting to talk to some of the students afterwards and saying that what I shared touched their heart. They're going to remember this for a long time to come, thinking about our legacy, that we want to leave a positive mark on the people's lives around us and the people's hearts around us. And it starts by knowing who we are, right? Knowing the ultimate sacrifice that our Savior made, and just living for Him, doing it all for Him, being our best self in His eyes. Thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are amazing. Keep sharing your gifts, like it also says in 1 Peter, sharing those gifts to serve one another. We all have those. And make sure to keep your head up as well. As always, until next time, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out the playlist for some powerful videos through YouTube, and you can also visit my website through the other link on the screen to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. God bless. Christ peace.